Here are 4 Claude YouTube channels that you can start that can potentially make more than your job. Now, just because you start these channels, it doesn't guarantee that it's going to make more than your job, but I am going to break down the math on how a bunch of these channels that I'm showing you here today can potentially do that, and also how they can generate videos literally just using Claude. And channel idea number 1 is nursing content. And this channel right here called Simple Nursing gets over 2 million views per month, and that alone, even just from ad revenue, would be more than almost any job. However, what makes nursing such an incredible niche is that you're helping people get their own job as a nurse. And you could promote this course right here, which helps people pass an exam for becoming a nurse and make a flat $50 per sale. And now realistically, don't expect, to get 1 million subscribers and to be getting millions of views per month right off the bat making a channel like this. This takes years to get to a point like this. However, you can take a look at smaller channels that are getting 30,000 views per month, which I would consider to be very low, and these thumbnails are not the best here at all. However, even with that amount of views per month, let's say that's 10,000 unique views, let's say 1% of them buy that course right there, that's 100 sales of that times 50, that's 5,000 a month, and that might be 1,000, it might be 5,000, it may be somewhere in between, but that's honestly more than a lot of jobs, and there's ways to even scale it a lot higher than that as well. Like, for example, if you were a nurse, you could put together your own program or your own community on a place like school, for instance, and charge a monthly amount for it and make a lot more that way. Now, in order to use Claude to generate videos for a channel like this, if we take a look at the types of videos that some of these channels are uploading, we can see they're animated explainer videos. We can easily generate videos like this with Claude, and in order to do that, we'll sign up for Higgsfield, which, by the way, is the sponsor of this video. There's other options out there as well for connecting AI to Claude. However, Higgsfield is the absolute best due to the fact that their models are cheaper than a lot of other competitors, and the way it connects to Claude and the quality of the generations is incredibly good. And to connect it, you just go to this page right here, higgsfield.ai/MCP. You copy this connector URL, you go to Claude and then customize, paste in the URL, and then click the connect button, and it'll have you sign in with your Higgsfield account. And then Higgsfield will be added within Claude. And so now that we have Higgsfield connected with Claude, if we go and open Claude and we tell it to make a short 20-second animated explainer video using the explainer video feature within Higgsfield on how to become a nurse. Now, I'm just doing a 20-second video as an example here. Of course, you could tell it to make a 10-minute, 20-minute video, and it'll go through all the steps and do it for you. But just to show you as an example right here, once we put that in, it pulls up the Higgsfield explainer video tool, and it gives us all of these different styles to choose from. For this one, I selected Stickman Cartoon, but there's tons of different styles to choose from. And then once I selected that, it gave me a voice option here, and I selected the voice. And the reason that we're doing this within Claude instead of just going directly within Higgsfield and generating it is because using Claude gives us so much more granular control on being able to control things like if we wanted to upload a custom voiceover, we could do that. We could also upload an image of an animated AI character similar to channels like Zinni Studio, who has an AI character who's the quote-unquote face of the channel, which I actually highly recommend doing due to the fact that then you're building brand IP. With AI making it easier for anybody to grow channels right now and make channels, having some type of distinguishing character between your channel and other channels is a very good idea. And as AI gets better, you'll be able to then use those tools to put out more videos and grow your brand. And so once we selected the voice, then we selected for this to be a 16:9 video to be a widescreen video for YouTube, since it's a YouTube video, and it went through and it generated all of these different images for our animated video on how to become a nurse. And also, by the way, you could upload your own script even to this as well. So if you wrote a script or you used another tool like I do using my tool TubeMagic to generate scripts, you could take that, put that into Claude right here, and do it that way. So it generated all of this different stuff, and it compiled it all together for us, and it made this video right here.
Nobody hires you for being caring. 3.4 million American nurses got in the same way. An approved degree, 1 license exam, and a state board saying yes. The degree is the only real fork. An associate takes roughly 2 years.
And so it's a pretty good video that we didn't have to do any animating for. Like in the past, you would have had to hire an animator off of Upwork and do a bunch of manual work to make something like this, which would have taken hours of your time or cost a lot of money. Now, speaking of cost, this is not free. Due to the fact that we're using Higgsfield, you would have to pay for one of their plans in order to do this. And so this example 20-second video right here cost a couple dollars. If you're doing a full video, depending on the models that you use, it can add up to, in some cases, being $50, even $100 a video if you're doing much longer videos. But it's still cheaper than hiring an animator, and of course, your time is worth something as well. But if you're watching this video right now, if you become a new user with Higgsfield at the link down below, they put together a special deal for you where you can get 24 hours of unlimited generations, and I confirmed it with them. This also applies to generating videos through the MCP like we're doing right here. So you get completely free, unlimited access to all of the top models on the Higgsfield website, and that even includes the C-Dance video generator, which is incredibly good. This is basically the best state-of-the-art video generator out there right now, which usually costs several dollars per clip. You can get unlimited usage of that. Now, one thing to know with using the unlimited is that the generations may be a bit slower, so you do have to take that into consideration. But my personal recommendation would be, if you're going to be doing this, would be to generate as many videos as you possibly can within that 24-hour period. And then, of course, use the rest of the credits that then come with your new plan as well. And that's another cool thing about using Claude, is that you don't have to be sitting there generating each and every clip. You can give it the overall instructions of what to do. And if you use a really good model like Claude Opus 5 or Claude Fable 5, it'll do the work for you for hours in the background, assembling videos for you, generating the videos, using your unlimited plan, and doing it all for you. Now, one thing to note in the Claude settings, if you go to the connector, my recommendation is to select this to always allow, so you don't have to constantly be approving things. Of course, this will actually go out and spend real credits on your Higgsfield account, so keep that in mind. But when I'm using this, I hate to be sitting there in some cases for, 20, 30 minutes or even an hour and just having to click approve, approve, approve on everything. So I like to just set this to always allow and just let it go in the background right there. And a great way to save credits once you aren't on the unlimited anymore is to ask Claude directly to use cheaper models. Even some of the cheapest models out there are still incredibly good, and especially for animated videos like this, they are more than good enough. So you can request for it to use cheaper models like Kling 3.0, which is going to save you a lot of credits as opposed to using the more expensive ones like C-Dance. Now, niche number 2 is cybersecurity, and in particular, how to get a job in cybersecurity. This channel right here doesn't even show his face, and the channel pulls in hundreds of thousands of views per month, which would be way more than a full-time income if he sells something from it, which he sells many things from this channel, multiple different affiliate links and so forth. Never even shows his face. But he's talking about mostly how to get a job in cybersecurity, so the certificates to get, how to land the job and everything else. And he's doing a great job. And some of these videos right here are literally just a bunch of different animations and pictures and everything put together, 320,000 views. And so the key with channels like this is to have good information. And of course, you can use Claude, you can use TubeMagic to generate scripts. However, I still recommend anytime you use AI to look over things yourself and to write as much of the final draft yourself as possible. And just ensure that before you upload a video, this makes sense, it's going to give people value, therefore YouTube will then be okay with it because you're actually helping people with your videos. And if that's the case, you can certainly use AI to help you with these types of videos. In fact, check out this cybersecurity video that I generated with Claude and Higgsfield in literally just a couple minutes.
The cybersecurity industry needs 3.5 million workers right now, and the companies racing to hire them are paying starting salaries north of $100,000.
And so it's pretty good. I think the music is a little bit loud, but that's a good thing about using Claude. You can tell it, make the music quieter or just get rid of it. And then in order to actually make more money potentially than what a job would pay, you could promote these programs as an affiliate. There's tons of different programs that talk about the ultimate cybersecurity skills pack and how to actually build a career in this and everything. And these pay good commissions, so you could link that down in the description of your videos. And of course, if you already have experience in any of these niches right here, that's an added bonus as well, because the potential is there for making way more than you would in your normal job by running a channel like this. But even if you have zero skills whatsoever, the last niche we're going to be going over in this video is going to be incredibly valuable to you, because it's one that I believe almost anybody who's watching this channel at least can do if you're serious about committing to it. But before we go into that one, we're going to go into our third niche, which is giving advice to parents and giving baby advice. So check out this channel right here called Sprouts, and a lot of their top videos are about having a kid and being a mother and being a father and different parenting styles. This video has 7.7 million views. This channel in general gets over 1 million views a month, which just from ad revenue on this channel would be way more than a lot of full-time jobs. Now, this channel doesn't explicitly do these types of videos. They also do general psychology videos, and they do incredibly well with it. But I honestly think there's a lot of potential on just doing a channel focused on new parents, for example, and basically just making a really good resource to all the new parents out there who need a guidebook on, how am I going to raise my kid and everything else, just making them a checklist. They would absolutely binge this channel, getting you tons of watch time, and also you'd be helping a lot of people as well. And as an example, here's a video I generated with Claude in Higgsfield.
3 a.m. Your baby is screaming and you haven't slept in days. 80% of new parents say this hits harder than anything else, but one simple bedtime routine can fix it tonight. Dim every light, swaddle snug below the arms, play white noise loud as a running shower, and lay.
That's a really great video. Honestly, this stickman animation thing actually goes really great in this, and I think there's a lot of potential in this niche, especially when we get into monetization. You might be asking, how could I realistically even make money from a channel like this? Because the first two niches we went over, they're primarily helping people get to a point where they can get a job in a specific career. But this is something entirely different and something that honestly, I think a lot of people overlook, but it still meets my criteria for being a great niche because it is still educational in nature and it's still helping people solve a big problem. And that's the pattern across all of these niches we're going over, is that it's helping people solve real problems in their life that they're willing to pay money for. Because when you want to get a job, you are willing to pay money to help you get that job because long term it's going to be worth a lot more to you. When it comes to being a great parent, one of the best investments you could probably make is making sure your child has a good life. So investing your time watching videos like this and also buying things that could help you with this could be a great investment. And believe it or not, there are literally sleep training and parent coaching courses that you can be an affiliate for, like this one right here, where you can help new parents and sell access to this program and get a commission from it. There's also this program which sells these cribs that babies can sleep in, and you can be an affiliate for that and get paid over $50 per sale that you make, which is pretty good. But of course, if you wanted to make the absolute maximum amount of money, so ideally you are a parent yourself or you've worked in childcare in some way, so you have some experience that you could impart onto other people, you could easily put together your own course, charge $100 for it, and make something incredibly valuable that will genuinely help people, and you'll make a lot more money from this channel than just from ad revenue alone. And now let's get into niche number 4, which I personally think if you're watching this channel right here, chances are you've probably at some point gone down a rabbit hole of watching videos about how to grow on YouTube, how to get subscribers, how to make money on YouTube, how to build a business on YouTube. All of these subjects having at least somewhat of an information base in your own brain on them, as well as an interest in actually watching them, because you're watching this right now, obviously you have an interest in this, leads me to conclude that this could potentially be a great niche for you if it's something you're genuinely interested in imparting onto other people and building a business from. And that niche is YouTube growth. So check out this channel right here, which is a new channel that I recently started, only 28 videos on the channel, and this channel is getting around 40,000 views per month. And I really even haven't been that consistent posting on this channel. I haven't even posted a video in like a month, but I've had several videos do incredibly great, pull tons of views, and this channel makes a lot more than a full-time income from most jobs, and that's due to the fact that in the description of this channel, I link to my YouTube program, so people can then join my program, and it gets tons and tons of sales. Now, you might be saying, Matt, that's great, but what if I don't have a program to promote? I might have enough information to make the videos, but when it comes to selling something, what would I sell from a channel like this in order to monetize this fully and realistically make more than I would from a job? I'm going to show you that in just a second, but first, check out this video I generated with Claude and Higgsfield.
1 million views on YouTube sounds like a jackpot, but most creators only pocket between $2,000 and $5,000 from it because YouTube keeps 45% of every ad dollar.
That's a fantastic video, and as bonus points with a channel like this, you would ideally want to structure it around a character. And so as you can see, my stickman Matt isn't just a normal stickman. He's got my hair and he's a bit more recognizable. And that's just due to the fact that this builds long-term IP. So even if I didn't want to make videos like this anymore ever in the future, I can have this channel running in the background, hire a bunch of people that I trust that know my process for doing YouTube and everything, and they could run this channel almost completely for me, use tools like Claude and Higgsfield to generate the videos, and this could be a huge cash cow for a long time into the future while genuinely helping a lot of people as well. But how do you monetize a channel like this? Because when it comes to making videos, Claude, Higgsfield, these tools have made things so easy. But when it comes to monetizing, my recommendation and what I personally do with this channel right here, if you go and watch any of these videos and you go to the end of them, you'll see that I link to a very long video that's on my personal channel. Now, this could very well be a video that I have on that channel as well, but at the end of this video then, that's where I sell my course. So it's keeping people on YouTube. You're not sending people off of YouTube. You're sending them to a long video. They watch that, and then it sells my course at the end of them. Now, what would you sell from your channel? You can definitely do this strategy. It works incredibly good because it keeps people on YouTube. It drives up your session time, which then therefore leads YouTube to promote your videos more because they're seeing you're keeping people on the platform of YouTube. But when it comes to monetizing it then, the thing that I would recommend selling would be a digital product. And there's two great types of digital products to sell from a channel like this, which would be software or a course. Now, obviously, I'm selling a course from here. However, you can easily be an affiliate for tons of different software like TubeMagic. Obviously, this is my software, but it would mean a ton to me if you did promote it. It's a great software. It actually helps people as well. But you could be an affiliate for this and make 50% recurring revenue from everybody that you get to sign up for the rest of your life as long as they stay subscribed. So lifetime recurring commissions are always a plus when you're looking at affiliate programs. You could also be an affiliate for my AI video generator called vid.ai and make 33% recurring revenue for life. You could also be an affiliate for Higgsfield and get monthly recurring revenue potentially for life. And also my YouTube program, Tube Accelerator, we're going to be launching an affiliate program in the next couple days here. So that's super exciting. I know I've had tons of people asking me about it. That's going to be up incredibly soon. And anybody will be able to promote that as an affiliate and get commissions for every single sale that you drive. And that'll be hundreds of dollars per sale that you drive, which adds up. You get a few sales per month, and this could be much more than a full-time income or much more than a lot of jobs pay. And so the theme with all four of these niches that we've gone over so far is that they're educational in nature. They genuinely help people solve a real problem in their lives, and they have something that you can sell from the channel so you can monetize beyond just ad revenue. Those are the patterns right there, and you can also put these patterns into something like Claude or Google Gemini, and you can ask it, find me more niches like this, or even better yet, find me sub-niches within this that are very underserved, that don't have tons of channels within them. It's always a good sign as well when you can see specific videos on some people's channels, like that one Sprouts channel that we went over earlier. There's specific videos related to childcare and having babies that are doing incredibly good, but I couldn't find too many channels that were related to just that on YouTube. So that tells me that specific niche is an incredibly good idea. But saturation on YouTube really does not matter as long as you're producing really high quality videos that genuinely give people a lot of value. And you can always find some sub niche within whatever niche that you're in to find some underserved thing that nobody's doing and potentially get tons of views and do incredibly great. And with tools like Claude and Higgsfield, generating videos now is easier than ever. And if you want to check out Higgsfield, check them out down at the link below. You can get that deal where you can get unlimited generations for 24 hours. Huge thanks to them for sponsoring this video. You can start generating tons of different videos. And then once you have some videos generating, you have a general plan in place and everything, I do think it's an incredibly great idea to have a plan for how you're going to then make this into a real business and how you're going to make sure that, number one, your channel stays safe. Because with using AI, there are some pitfalls a lot of people fall into that gets their channels banned and so forth. So you want to keep your channel safe and you want to make sure you're actually monetizing to its full potential. It would suck if you started a channel and let's say you had the potential of making tens of thousands a month, but instead you're just making 1,000. That would absolutely suck, and I want to help you avoid that. And then number 3, you want to make sure that you're positioning your channel in a way where it will actually blow up and it will actually get a lot of views, so you're not just spinning your wheels for no reason. And if you want to discover those 3 things, you can check out this video next to me right here. It's essentially a free course that I have on YouTube. It's incredibly valuable. You're going to get so much value from this video right here. My name is Matt Parr. Check this out. At least bookmark it. At the very least, it's going to make sure you run the channel the right way and make it into a real business. Keep the channel safe with 2026 updates. Check it out. My name is Matt Parr, and I will see you there.